Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, today we will learn about the wudu. So when we are just to start wudu, we have to say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So this is dua before starting wudu, ablution. So during the wudu, you must read Bismillahi walhamdulillah, Bismillahi walhamdulillah, Bismillahi walhamdulillah. Then the angels will be produced by Allah. Allah will make angels who will make dua for you, special dua for forgiveness. Alhamdulillah. So you have to read Bismillah Alhamdulillah during wudu time, and when you finish the wudu, when you finish ablution, you just make your index finger towards the sky and read Shahada. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. So أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله, I certify that there is none worthy of worship but Allah. Wahdahu, Allah is one. La sharika lahu, Allah has no partner. Wa ashhadu anna, and I certify that Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh, that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's slave and Allah's messenger. So when you have to read this shahada, just pointing your index finger towards sky, inshallah the 8 doors of paradise will be open for you and Allah's blessings will fall upon you. And when a person is just to complete wudu, ablution, sins of that person, all the small sins of that person are forgiven, and alhamdulillah, and then the person gets credit or get benefit when moved towards salah. So every step gave you one reward, one sin, a small sin also forgiven, and also one reward will be written for paradise. So every step will be rewardable for you. So toward the salah, alhamdulillah, it is blessings of Allah. We must get it. And at the end of wudu, you can also read Allahumma aj'alni minat tawwabina waj'alni minal mutatahirin. Allahumma aj'alni minat tawwabina waj'alni minal mutatahirin. Allahumma aj'alni, O Allah, make me minat tawabin, from those people who do tawbah astaghfar. So who are doing tawbah, just include me in those people also. Waj'alni minal mutatahirin, and also include me in those people who are just to live with a purified life. So inshallah, Allah will make you just to include in those people who do tawbah astaghfar and their tawbah is accepted by Allah, and also they stay their remaining life with purity, and inshallah Allah will be blessed. Allah's blessings will fall upon us, and inshallah we will be from them also. So you have to read this one after wudu. Inshallah the blessings of Allah fall upon you, and with the mercies of Allah you will get more rewards, and alhamdulillah, Allah's blessings also, and so much rewards will be given to you when you will move towards the salah and you will start salah. That will be more rewardable for the paradise, inshallah. So you have to do it, inshallah. When you start wudu, say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and during the wudu you must say Bismillah walhamdulillah, and when you finish the wudu, say Shahada pointing your index finger towards the sky. Say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. And inshallah, 8 doors of paradise will be open for you. And also, you must read Allahumma aj'alni min at-tawabina waj'alni min al-mutatahirin. Then inshallah Allah will include you in the people who do tawbah and their tawbah is accepted by Allah, and also you will be included in those people who stay in this life with purity. So inshallah Allah's blessings will fall upon you and you will stay in this world with purity and leave this world with purity, and also Allah's blessings and mercies will be waiting for you at the day of judgment, inshallah, and will lead to the paradise, inshallah. Ameen.